My dear fellows, today I am going to talk about my personal insights about childhood trauma. Childhood trauma causes many problems for the adults. It is something very strange that childhood trauma affects the life of a person for which he or she is not responsible. The effect is visible, but the cause is not in the hand of a subject. But whatever may be the reason of childhood trauma, let us explore how to deal with childhood trauma. Remember, there are two types of trauma. One is active trauma and second one is passive trauma. Some people face rape, murder, robbery, or some accident, and these are the examples of active trauma. Sometimes active trauma needs psychiatrists and psychological techniques to come out of it. Even people use medicines for the cure of active trauma. And second one is passive trauma. Passive trauma is caused by some negative thought pattern of generation. Sometimes the parents or the environment in which we grow, in which we spend our childhood, is not healthy. People are not well aware, people are not educated, people are not self aware, and people have no care about the emotions of a child. So, if you spend your childhood in such an environment where emotions of a child are ignored and the child is not uh, understood, but people in the family use authoritative style to impose their own version of reality rather than understanding the child's version of reality. So in this way, the child become feel inferiority complex and he try to please the people around him. In this way, he forget his own existence, which later on causes many psychological issues. The point is how to deal with passive trauma. So, to deal with passive trauma, there are psychological techniques such as CBT, and even people consult psychiatrists and psychologists to come out of it. But the short trick here is uh, to be self aware and to meditate. When we become self aware and when we meditate, then we can easily identify our negative thought pattern and we can break that cycle. And the last trick to hack this childhood trauma is to set some deadlines and achieve your targets. When we achieve our targets, then we become a person who we want to, which is often ignored in our childhood. So, slowly, we can come out of the negative thought pattern in our subconscious mind. Thank you for listening.